Stop! Bleh.
Stop.
It's Martin.
Stop.
See? Mas fit pa sa akin yung bag sa'yo.
Oh, hey. Good, you? I think it's my bachelor party.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's here.
Video camera, nice.
Siya yun.
Hey.
Hi, girls. How are you?
Good?
Gotta get you all straight now. Hi, all right?
Yeah.
Yes. Winston?
No.
No. Okay, I don't
Winston is getting another ride, but she'll be
know.
there.
Okay. Tell me your names.
She was here last
Danica.
time. That is Danica.
Danica, yes.
And those are the three sisters here.
Oh, so Hera and Shane, right?
Yes.
Which one's which?
Shane.
Shane, nice
They're
to
both
meet you.
witches,
Hi,
I think,
Hera.
yes.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
You girls can come in for 2 seconds. My mom will be here in like 3 minutes to babysit the baby.
Oh. Then. Oh, you're talking about that.
Babysitting you. Nice.
Ha.
How's it going?
Say hi, Lachlan.
Hi.
Can you say hi? So do you want to swing while you're waiting for Grandma? Yeah?
Nagtutulog siya. Oh.
You want to hold the swing for a second? You want to swing?
Hi.
Say hello. Say happy stay. Happy stay. Let me go back. Hold on. So sweet. 1 second.
Hey.
There you go. There you go. Look at all the girls. You like the girls, don't you? Yeah. This
So
is
where-
Lachlan for the girls that haven't met him.
So where did Dustin go?
He's working. Yeah, he's working and till 6:30.
What do I do? Do I bring the girls and follow you in the car? Or?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, that's probably because you don't have room for me. No, no. So yeah, just follow me.
Okay.
That works.
And they're wondering where we're going first.
I think a lot of them know where we're going first. I think they're just playing with you.
You don't know.
Haha.
Ha ha.